Hello, I am Jeremy and I am making a video on how to install an on-screen camera. First, I would like to show you my YouTube account so you can subscribe. Once it loads. Okay, this is my YouTube account. Please subscribe. And this is my friend. He's my partner in making YouTube videos. Subscribe to him too. Okay, now we'll go to Google and type in how to install an on-screen camera. Once you do that, type in or click and hit enter or click the magnifying glass. Sorry, getting tongue twisted up here. Once that loads, I'll get started. Okay, so it's loaded. It'll come up with a screen camera free edition. That's what you want to click. Okay, just wait for that to load. A few more seconds now. Okay, it is almost done loading. The reason why it is going slow is because I have really bad internet from where I'm sitting, so that's why it's taking longer than it usually does. Okay, so it's almost loaded. What you want to click is where my mouse is right now, where it says download now, CNET installer enabled. Click that. About 3 seconds I'll be able to click it. Okay, almost done. Okay, now I can click it. It'll say where my mouse is. Your download will begin in a moment. Just wait for it to download. The download to begin. If it doesn't download, just click where it says no download, click here. And then it'll restart it. We'll get started when it decides to load and bring up the download screen. Right down here will be a yellow bar that'll say run, save, or cancel. You want to click run. Okay, this is what you want to click where my mouse is now run, but since I already have it, I'm not gonna click run. You click run. I'm just gonna click cancel. Once you do that, it'll bring up what the other stuff you have to click to install it. You just hit approve and accept and everything, and it'll take about 3 minutes. And then once you're doing that, you're done. And thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope it helps you a little bit more than I understood it the first time.